Now, we have more information on Zaya's criminal history, and it is raising more questions about ankle monitors. Fox 25's Mackenzie Frost continues our coverage on this Columbia shooting suspect.
According to court documents, Emerson Zaya has a history with law enforcement. Police say they tracked him to the scene where the shooting took place at the Columbia Mall using GPS coordinates from an ankle monitor he was already wearing. And that highlights something that we have been reporting on surrounding concerns with ankle monitors. But this time, it's a private home detention company in the spotlight. The details of the latest investigation outside the mall in Columbia, leaving one teen dead and another injured, highlights concerns we've heard before about the effectiveness of ankle monitors. Fox 45 News obtained this arrest warrant issued December 12, 2024 for Emerson Zaya for a slew of charges, including attempted first and second degree murder. Charging documents reveal Zaya allegedly tried to kill another juvenile male. Police say Zaya and another suspect showed up at a schoolmate's house armed with knives, got inside, and attempted to slash and stab the victim. This incident unfolding November 28th, one day before Zaya's 18th birthday. Court records show he posted a $50,000 bond on December 16th and granted private home detention. Court records show that private home detention is the Advanced Sentencing Alternative Programs Incorporated, or ASAP. And this court document, obtained by Fox 45 News, shows a string of alleged violations for Zaya. February 13th, 14th, 18th, and 20th, and in the notice with the court filed on February 21st, one day before the latest double shooting outside the Columbia Mall, ASAP tells the court Zaya has not been submitting verification of his whereabouts.
In this case, we have a failure by the private home detention monitoring company to swiftly alert the court. If there was not correspondence between the private home detention company and the court, that in and of itself is a systematic failure.
Jeremy Eldridge, a Baltimore area trial attorney, says the apparent lack of urgency from the private home detention company highlights a systemic problem with both private and public home detention.
There exists a gap in communication when there's a violation because, frankly, the human beings that monitor these individuals don't generally work nights. They don't generally work weekends, and the courts are closed during these same hours. So we simply pretend that we're effective at monitoring these violations and cases during Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 work hours. If we have violations that occur outside of these hours, we just don't deal with them, and sometimes we end up in situations exactly like this.
I reached out to the private home detention company to ask why they waited so many days to file the notice with the court of those violations, but so far I'm still waiting on an answer. In the newsroom, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.